Today I want to talk about Easy Tools. This is a tool that helps you find IP cameras and NVRs on a network when you don't quite know what the device's IP address is. There are a few limitations, but this tool takes away a lot of the guesswork when installing cameras and NVRs. Installing is fairly easy and straightforward. Just download from our website and run the installer. The program does rely on some Microsoft prerequisites, and it will install these if needed. No worries, there's no junkware or bloatware in this program. Once the program is finished installing, go ahead and run the program. It'll ask you for administrative rights. This is normal. When the program opens, it will have a list of what it found just below the control buttons. As you can see, it found my NVRs, but no cameras yet. I'm going to add a camera and wait until I'm sure the camera has time to boot up all the way, and then click on the refresh button. As you can see, it found the camera almost immediately, and there's an IP address listed right there. Now that we know what the IP address is, we can either add the camera to our NVR or make adjustments as needed. In a column under Configuration, there are two very useful links. The first link is a cog-shaped icon that allows you to go into the device settings, and the second icon is a link to the device in Internet Explorer so that you can see a live feed, make adjustments, or whatever. This alone makes the tool very useful. From here, I can check the picture, look at the network settings, and change them if I need to, edit the username and password for this device, or even do a check for the latest firmware updates. As you can see, for this device, there is no firmware update available right now. A second part of Easy Tools is the disk calculator. As you can see, I've already added 4 cameras to my list, and I can add an additional camera by choosing Add. Give it a channel number, and I can adjust the settings according to what kind of camera I have. For now, I'm leaving it as it is. Hit Cancel once you have all your cameras added. To the right, we have some options for setting recording time in days. Let's say I want a month, so I'll put 30 days. Below that, you have hours per day. As you can see, a lot of hard drive space is required for 30 days of 24/7 recording on 5 cameras. We would need 4 6-terabyte hard drives or 3 8-terabyte hard drives to accomplish this. You can also see the settings for 2 and 4-terabyte hard drives as well. A side note, most NVRs and DVRs are capable of using multiple hard drives, but all of them must be the same size. So if you've got one 8-terabyte hard drive and you want to expand it, you have to get another 8-terabyte hard drive. The other tab on the calculator is Disk Space Given. Here you can select how much hard drive space you already have, hours per day you are recording, and the result will be the number of days of retention that you have. For example, if I choose 8 terabytes and 24 hours a day, I get 11 days of retention. That is, 11 days you can go back and retrieve a recording before it is recorded over. This concludes the main features of Easy Tools. As always, if you have any questions, please give us a shout at 866-283-6003 or email us at techsupport@ruggedcams.com. Thanks for watching.